Yeah, I'm back, people. What you saying? Yeah, so can everyone follow my Twitter, which is Unique Fitness 58? Can everyone follow my Instagram, Unique Home Fitness TV? I'm back in the game. Right, so this is a bicep tricep workout. Yeah, so I'm doing 21s here. So it's 7 lower, 7 middle, and then it's 7 full curls. Okay. It's a very high intense bicep exercise. This, it works a treat and it's a toner for your biceps. As you can see, it hurts. It's a killer. So now I'm going to put my bench up. My bench up for tricep exercise with my dumbbells. Everything's back to back, like super set, to keep that blood flowing and keep that intensity up. Just wait for it. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah, that's it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7. One more. Give me one more. Come on. Come on. Yes. Got it. That was done with a 20 kg dumbbell, by the way. So now I pick these 15s up, what I've got in each arm. And it's a seated hammer curl, this one. Both at the same time, always at the same time. Always. It's 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4. Nice. 5. Doing really well here. 6. 7. As you can see with face. 8. 9. Come on. 10. Come on. 11. Nice. 12. Come on. 13. One more. Can I get it? Yes. Got it. Right. So now I'm going into a preacher concentration curl, single arm, with the tens. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. 5. Nice. So the reps are all mixed up. Like some exercises I'll go high reps, some exercises I'll go low reps, and that's just to get my muscles used to lifting heavy and light, and just mix it up for the muscles. It's all about that shock. It's just whatever works for you, but that works for me anyway. Like, so it's nice little double bicep pause coming now. That pump, the peak. It's all about the peak. I think working on the peak makes biceps look the best.